On this episode of Trash Panda Off-Road, a little bit more of taking the tracker up to Elbe Hills.
And take the itty bitty tracker through this hole right here. I'm probably gonna get covered in water and mud.
Tight. Tight. Tight.
Passenger again. Careful.
Passenger.
Dad.
Alright. Yeah.
I'm gonna come forward.
You got more. Good.
Right? We should probably.
You should probably come up to the flat.
That's probably good.
Good.
Woo!
One more try.
That log.
You went too far. That tire's in a hole now.
Alright, hook it up. Only got a little bit of battery left. Hopefully I'll be able to close this video out back on the trailer. This was supposed to be our light day. Just, you know, buzz up to that main obstacle that's on Busy Wild and check it out. Unfortunately, getting up that way, it's been a winch fest. His steering's gone bad. I've already had to replace a tire. I blew a bead, bent a rim, cut my hand. So we're gonna do what we can to get out of this trail. We're about a quarter mile from the road, and then once we get off the road, we're like less than a quarter mile away from camp. And hopefully I'll end this video back at camp, back on the trailer. Alright guys, we're back at camp. We're almost loaded up and ready to head out. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to follow along on Instagram at Trash Panda Off-Road. I got to put the top down on the camper. Thanks for Paul for reminding me. Subscribe to the channel, post your comments down below. 35s did okay after we got the tire changed. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to carrying a 33-inch spare, just because it's way better. So let's see, light's coming out over there. Got some new body damage here. That mirror's messed up. I showed you guys in a previous video, all those needs to be cut still some more. We ran into a tree, ripped out the line for the winch. Skid plate is hanging down because we broke those bolts. But we're back on the trailer, ready to go home. Paul's got at least one broken hub, maybe two, and Austin's got a steering issue. But again, we're back at camp, we're ready to come home. Thanks a lot for everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next video. A little bit of bonus coverage on our way home. Flat tire on the trailer. Oh, and the spare, that one's got low air, and that one we already used because he had a screw in it in the beginning of the trip. Adventure.